Hey guys, it's Nick from F150LEDs.com. Today we've got our 2021 F-150 here in the shop, and we'll be showing you how easy it is to swap out those dim, dingy halogen bulbs with some hyper white, extremely bright MK2 CREE LED fog lights from F150LEDs.com. They're going to be much brighter, and they're definitely going to look a lot better than those yellow dim halogens. So let's go ahead and jump into the install. The first thing that we need to do is simply pull back on this wheel well liner to give us access to the bulbs that we're looking at replacing. And to do that, we need to remove 4 bolts. There's 2 here, and then there's 2 along this inner wheel well, 1 here and 1 here in more of the 12 o'clock position. And you can use a size 7 socket to remove those 4 bolts. Now that we've got our bolts removed, we'll be able to bend this wheel well liner up over the wheel and get it out of our way. Kind of got to pull it up and off the rim here of this fender, like so. You better just kind of roll it, kind of like so, out of our way. This is going to give us the room that we need to access the bulbs. Okay, now that we've got our wheel well liner out of the way, it's going to expose our fog light. The first thing we want to do is disconnect the harness from the bulb. Pry these 2 tab connectors just off the bulb tab, and then you'll be able to pull the harness down just like so. So now that the harness is disconnected from the bulb, you'll be able to grasp it, and with a counterclockwise turn, it kind of takes a little bit of pressure to go all the way here. We'll be able to remove this halogen fog light here. So we'll set that aside, and then we're going to take our CREE MK2 fog light. We're going to install it back into place. Now make sure you want to line these tabs up here that are along the rim of the light. And it's going to take some pressure here as well, like so. So you'll be able to seat the bulb in. There's a little bit of tab that you got to work around on this side, and then you'll be able to lock it in with a clockwise turn. So now we've got our MK2 bulb installed, and we've got to connect this harness with our resistor harness here. So we'll take the resistor harness side, and then we'll take the truck's fog light harness. Hoping I'm not blocking too much of the shot. And you just connect it. Now you'll notice that there's a small tab on the top of the fog light connector, and you want to line that up so that it locks in to the truck's fog light harness. So now our fog lights are installed and connected to the truck's harness. The last thing we want to do, we just want to get this resistor up and out of the way. It's fine to touch metal, but we don't want this resistor touching anything plastic or anything that heat is not going to be a friend of. So what we're going to do, we're going to take a zip tie, and we're just going to air hang it here by zip tying the harness right here to this frame, okay? So let's take a zip tie. Get it right here. Run that right through our metal bracket here. It'll be a little easier for you since you'll be able to see it. I'm trying not to block our camera angle. Okay, so let's see. Let's position this harness here. Connect, tighten the zip tie. Okay. So now our resistor is secured here to this metal frame, and we've got our fog light bulb installed, and we're connected to the truck's harness. So we can trim this up if you'd like, and then we're gonna reinstall our wheel well liner, and we'll be done on this side. So that's all there is to getting our Mark II CREE LED fog lights installed here on your 21 and up Ford F-150 series truck. The camera does not capture how bright these things are or how great they look, but they're a definite upgrade over those OEM halogen bulbs. We highly recommend it. You can check them out at F150LEDs.com, where you'll find all of our custom built LED lighting products built specifically for your Ford F-150 and Super Duty trucks. We truly appreciate your support, and we look forward to serving you soon at F150LEDs.com. Thanks, guys.